we're just rolling through the Kimpex show, and we came across this booth, and we're not really into the motorcycle thing too much, but a lot of our guys are, so this might be a very good thing to point out to you. So this is called the what? The Helite?
Yes.
Helite Airbag Vest. Yep. Very cool. So if you're riding your motorcycle,
you hook it on the frame.
You attach this tether to the frame of the bike?
Yep.
Okay. Well, here, can we put this on my son?
Yep.
Okay, come over here, son. Do you have one smaller? He's a bit of a small child.
Oh, that's perfect because of the spine.
That's his mother's side. Okay, so this is attached. What's that? He's gonna hit.
Oh, he's gonna hit me. Nice.
Yeah.
So when it's gonna inflate, I will hit you with a baseball bat, just to show you how you can receive the hit. Okay, but I will ask you to not move. That's true.
Okay, I hit him with a bat all the time. I haven't. Usually when he sees a bat, he flinches, cowers, and starts to cry a little bit because he knows what's coming. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's.
So it takes 60 pounds to remove it.
Okay.
So if you forget it on your motorcycle, that will not.
It will not pull in.
Yeah, you're going to remember that you're attached to the bike, and you will.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you would look pretty funny in the parking lot every time. Yeah. Okay.
You okay?
Okay.
Well, that's pretty tight. That's tight, actually.
Is it? Oh my God! Is that ever awesome?
Like rock solid.
Wow.
So if he'd be wearing a helmet, like a full face,
Yeah.
like your spine and your cervical, I don't really know.
Yeah. It's so C-spine immobilization.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
it wouldn't move.
Yeah.
So the head is stuck like this. So if you flip or you bend or whatever, you're just gonna go like this, and you'll be fine.
Yeah. So what's the retail on this?
750.
750.
Yep.
And then, well, of course, the cartridges. You're not going to use them very often.
No, but you can just.
It's $30 to
35.
$35.
Yep.
To change the cartridge.
Very cool. But they come also in like inside this jacket.
Yep.
Yes.
Really? And that leather kind of jacket.
Yes. And this kind of.
Those one are for professional GP.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Wow.
You're fine?
Very cool. You see that? Wow, very cool. Well, thanks very much for that. Obviously, there's different price points on all of these.
Yes.
Yeah, but they're
It begins to 650,
$650.
and it goes to 150.
1150. 1,150. Yeah. Well, that's a pretty nice jacket, actually. Are these waterproof?
Not completely.
Okay.
Not waterproof, but water resistant.
Okay. Well, very nice. Well, it's a no-brainer. Anything that keeps you safe, it really is a no-brainer. That's a great product. Of course, it's available at Powermodz. Any Kimpex dealer, right?
Yep.
Thank you very much for your time and the demonstration.
Thanks for you.
Okay. Pretty cool, son.
Don't call me.